Alright guys, just want to give you guys a quick recap on USDJPY. As you can see here, this USDJPY chart. Alright, so as you can see, the market was breaking a structure from this angle all the way to the downside. So this structure got broken to the downside, creating a new low. This low also got broken here, drop, creating this recent lower low. Okay, this is the lowest low as this structure got broken. So the low that caused the break of that structure was this one, and the high that caused the break of these structures was this one, right? Some may also say this one. It doesn't matter, all the same. The one that caused the break of the structure, all you want to know right now is, I would have to do a video on explaining further into that. All you need to know right now is that these structures go, this one, this two structure, the same low, because got broken to the downside, creating this structure here, this structure right here. Okay, so this one too got broken, this small structure also got broken to the downside, caused by this one, this higher high, this higher low, right? So for us to determine the change in direction of a market, in my previous video, if you've not watched that video, go back to the channel and go and watch it, look for it and watch it, how to determine the change in direction of a market structure. Okay, and as you can see, we had a trend here, market was following the trend perfectly fine. So as this structure got broken to the downside, we had a pullback right to this region, and we're expecting market to come down and break structure again, creating a new lower low, right? We were expecting something like this. Yeah, market pull down from here and create a new lower low, continuing like this, okay, following the trend. But that did not happen. So when market pulled all the way to the upside, it created a small lower low, then pulled to the upside, creating a structure which caused the break of the lower high that created this lower low. Okay, so as you can see, the structure got broken somewhere here. This structure got broken. Alright, it got broken, creating a new structure which is a new higher high, and this higher high has been caused by this higher low. Okay, this low right here. So as soon as that happened, you could see that the trend line also got broken to the upside. So we've realized that there's going to be a change in direction of this market. Actually, this particular touch of the pullback happened dawn. By then I was asleep. I couldn't catch this market right here. Before I get to the chart, the market, there was a news and market pushed all the way to the upside. But I was not in hurry to enter anyway, because I know market creates ups and downs. So since market has changed direction to the upside, definitely market is going to give us a pullback, right? A pullback for possible entry. So when the pullback happened, you could see that this structure also got broken. Yeah, this structure also got broken. You can see that, right? You can see that. So got broken. So this is the first structure created, second structure created, and market went all the way to the upside and pull back to retest this structure. Okay, we can say that it's rejecting at a support level, right? When you are using support and resistance, you can say that. But so far as this trend line has been broken and we created a new low, you could see that I plotted a new trend line here, first one, second one, and third one. So I was waiting for market on the third touch. Okay, on the third touch. So even though we came down to test this support level, given at this engulfing candle, by then I wasn't with the chart at this engulfing candle, right? I wasn't with the chart, and it was close to, that was somewhere Friday. So I was waiting to see what will happen, because I wanted it to push a little bit down, touching the trend line. All right, touching the trend line. So over there, when it touched the trend line, I see this engulfing candle forming. Then that is when I entered, risking 60 pip to target 155 pips. So my target was right up here. As soon as I see a major bearish candle, that is when I exited the market. So guys, currently you can see USDJPY is trending to the upside. On this chart analysis is done on the 1 hour time frame. Remember to follow the higher time frame before you take your decision from the higher to the lower time frame. Okay, if you're scalping, fine, use the 1 hour. So as you can see, market push creating a new higher high. Okay, and the structure that caused the break of these structures originates all the way to the top here. So you could see that market has come to hunt. There's a small trend line. When you go to the 15-minute time frame, you will see that there's a small trend line here which market came down to hunt the stop losses that have been placed over here. So as you can see, I'm waiting for market patiently to retest the trend line once again and give me a possible entry formation for a buy. Okay, so that is my expectation for USDJPY, guys. Just follow the trend. Don't do anything. You're gonna face losses along the line, but hey, remember to always follow your analysis. Okay, always 1 to 2, guys. That's it. If you need more content, just go to my channel. I have a lot of videos explaining market structure, how to determine changing direction of market, everything that you need to know to follow a particular trend or structure in the market. Guys, I've done it. So like this video, share this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.